Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing on this iPhone 5. I'm going to get it all out and then we're going to look around it. So this is the phone. I've got the charger. The wire's in pretty good condition, as you can see. You normally get like yellow fading and that, but the wire's in pretty good condition. This is the phone anyway. Looking around it, it's got a little bit of colour coming off on the sides. Few chips as well. Common problem with these iPhones, the iPhone 5, you get like a lot of scratches. This one's got a few chips on the back, but it's in good condition. Home button as well, that's in good condition. Has a little bit of a scratch as well, and then a few marks down here. But I'm happy for how much I paid for it, and headphone jack as well. That's got a few scratches along there as well, but everything else works and it's all good, and it runs iOS 10.3.3, which is good. I'm glad it didn't run iOS 9. So I'm gonna switch it all on and then we'll go through it. So it's all powered up now, and this is what it looks like. Runs smooth, pretty fast as well. I'm surprised a 6-year-old phone can still do stuff like this. I mean, this came out with iOS 6.16 or something when it first came out, and it was brilliant when it came out. But I'm glad that they didn't obviously put iOS 9 on this. If they put iOS 9, it would have been slow and bad. It would be good if you could put iOS 6 back onto this iPhone 5, because a lot of them have iOS 10 and they're waiting now to get iOS 6. As long as you don't update, then you can obviously keep it. But yeah, this is just unboxing. Check out other videos as well and smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.